video on swapping out the battery on my AirTag. This is the battery. Bring it up to you. This is the AirTag for my kitty cat. I labeled it cat, so I know which one this is for who this is for. Have the apple facing you. You kind of just spin it. You hold it really hard. Well, not too hard, but with your fingers, and you kind of rotate it to your counterclockwise or to your left. And then it should come out. If you're not getting enough grip, this is something I use to do it. Again, turn it. This is a jar opener, and you're gonna see it just opened it up. Perfect. It's coming up. It's facing that way. It's a 2032 battery. Very common. I purchased mine on Best Buy from Amazon. Best Buy, an Insignia app, an Insignia one, and I purchased it on the Best Buy website, and there are these Insignia Best Buy brand. So that's the area that you got to get actually at the edge there. So let's get the battery. This is the new one, facing you, the plus. Put it in. Okay. And then we'll do a close-up. You're trying to get that edge on this edge, just like that. Push it in. The battery sounded, and now you turn it. I'm not getting enough of a grip, so again, I'm using this. And this is to grip jars, to open them. Okay, perfect. Doesn't come out. Perfect. That's it. Switched out the battery for the AirTag for my kitty cat. Now, I'll put it back on my holder. Got this holder on eBay from a seller that sells it from China. Took about a couple of weeks to get here. And I bought a couple of them. I bought them for people who have animals and put their AirTag on them. Now, just put it back. Perfect. Battery replaced. Thank you for watching.